What are 3 of the best foods I need to eat after a concussion? Well, it's a hard question, actually, because there's a lot of things that go into it. So you could go deep down the rabbit hole and look at food sensitivities and don't eat gluten and all these things. But when you really break it down, your brain's made up of fat and water. All right. So you need to get high levels of fatty acids. So you're looking at salmon and avocados and nuts and seeds and things of that nature. You also need antioxidants. So things like berries, blueberries, raspberries, strawberries, those can help with antioxidant status, which can help overall inflammation in the brain. And then you also need to make sure that you're getting enough protein. So you don't want to, go in and just have donuts, all right, or have all these processed carbohydrates. You need good protein, but you don't want it to be super fatty protein. It has to be lean. With having lean protein, good fats, and antioxidants, that's going to help your brain recover faster. Your brain is based off of, like I said, fat and water. So you can't be inflamed. It needs good nutritional status. It can't be dehydrated. So honestly, just like drinking fluids and having enough fluid is also very important, and making sure that your electrolytes are good. Hi, I'm Dr. Jeremy Schmoe, founder of the Functional Neurology Center in Minnetonka, Minnesota. We work with patients with unresolved post-concussion symptoms and other complex neurological issues. Our approach to complicated neurological issues is very different from other clinics. We use the latest technologies and a combination of functional neurology, functional medicine, and chiropractic care to get to the root cause of what is causing your problems. With this approach, we're able to get you back to optimum function and get you doing the things that you love to do. What are 3 of the best foods I need to eat after a concussion? With having those foods, you're going to make sure that you're having adequate levels of magnesium, potassium, calcium, and certain ratios to help actually stabilize your neurons. Your neurons are going to be unsteady after a concussion. And when you throw all this good nutrition at it, it's going to make that neuron more stable. And that's what's called neuron theory. And that's really important to help you recover from a TBI or traumatic brain injury. There is hope. There are answers. Click the link you see with this video to schedule a consultation with my office today.